Here come the trotters. They're off and trotting. PJ Boy trying for the lead towards the inside. Shark Bite Mike as they drive into the first turn. PJ Boy's made an easy lead. And around the turn, PJ Boy the leader. Driving up on the outside is Mr. Santa Cruz second. 3 wide around the turn. Storm Winds driving up. Shark Bite Mike is off stride, Shark Bite Mike. Racing in 5th to the quarter, Lose Game and Match. Uncle Julio Park 6th and 7th. Hand over to Domo. Followed up by Cassis in 5th. They went by the quarter, 31 seconds flat. And on the mid-back stretch they go. Storm Winds by 2. PJ Boy second by 2.5, 3. Mr. Santa Cruz third. Lose Game and Match 4th. Father Julio now 5th. That one's about 10 lengths from the leader. 3 more back to hand over to Domo. Cassis in 5th. Long gap to the trailer. Shark Bite Mike. Storm Winds has the lead at a half time and a minute straight. And around the turn they go. Storm Winds keeps the lead. Storm Winds the leader by 2.5 lengths. PJ Boy racing in second. In third is Mr. Santa Cruz. 2 more back to Lose Game and Match. Another 6 back to Father Julio. They're strung out as they come to the top of the stretch. Storm Winds the leader. Now closing the gap second. PJ Boy racing up third as they turn for home. Mr. Santa Cruz. They move by 3/4 in 1:29 and 3. And now PJ Boy pops out of the pocket to take the lead. Storm Winds trying to fight back second. Mr. Santa Cruz is third. Towards the inside 4th and looking for racing room comes Lose Game and Match. A 16th to go, and PJ Boy in full command, racing in second. Mr. Santa Cruz coming to the wire. PJ Boy's an easy winner tonight. PJ Boy won by nearly 7. Mr. Santa Cruz second is going to be tight for third between Cassis and 5th. Lose Game and Match tight for third. In tonight's 10th race, 7, PJ Boy finished first. 4, Mr. Santa Cruz second. It's a photograph for third. Please hold all tickets. The results are official. Time for the mile, 1:59 and 2/5. The photograph shows 8, Cassis in 5th, third, number 5, Lose Game and Match 4th. Numbers on the board, 7, 4, 8, 5. Returning the unofficial winner, 7, PJ Boy. PJ Boy is owned by Donald and Sherry Huddleston. Mike Rogers, the winning driver and trainer. PJ Boy is an Illinois-bred 4-year-old gelding by Pizzazzed out of the SJ Photo Mare Fancy Creek Photo.